Hello everyone, thank you for joining the challenge. I see that a lot of you still struggle with the first move, so I'm gonna show you step by step, talking through, so maybe it will be easier. Bear with me, my first language is French, so I'm trying my best to speak English for you guys. So you have to put your feet together and bend your knees, alright? So we all know that. Stand straight, try not to move your shoulders when you're dancing, only the lower part have to move. You have to use your knees back and forth to create the move, and you have to push with your hips as well to make a wider swing. All right, now something very important is that your feet have to stay on the floor. When you push, you can lift your heels a little like this, but do not dance like this. That's not the same move at all. And also when you're moving your knees, try to move them forward and not side like this, sideways like this. That's wrong. Put them together, knees have to stay close together, and then push forward. Yeah, so that's the right move. And yeah, I think that's all. If you have any other question, please let me know, and follow along if you want to follow our 6-week challenge to learn Tahitian dance. We are day 4 and we are learning the Tamau this week. See you soon.